What are searching algorithms?
Searching algorithms are methods used to find specific items in a list or collection of data. They form the backbone of many computer programs by helping quickly locate information, like a name in a contact list or a word in a dictionary. Two of the most well-known types are linear search and binary search.
Linear search, simple and universal.
Linear search checks each item in a list one by one, starting from the beginning, until it finds the target or reaches the end. It's easy to understand and works with any list, even if the items aren't sorted. The main drawback is speed, as searching large lists can take a long time.
Binary search, fast but needs sorted data.
Binary search is much faster but only works on lists that are already sorted. It repeatedly divides the list in half, ignoring the half where the target can't be, until it finds the item or determines it isn't present. This method can find items far more quickly, especially in large lists.
Speed comparison. Which is faster?
Linear search requires looking at each item, making it slower for large datasets. Binary search drastically reduces the number of checks by halving the search range each time. If a list has 1 million items, linear search might check them all, but binary search needs only about 20 comparisons.
When to use each search algorithm?
Use linear search for small or unsorted lists, or when sorting a list isn't practical. Use binary search for large, sorted collections where speedy searching is needed. Understanding these differences helps you pick the right tool, saving both time and computing power.